boy. Oh boy, Wednesday, February 24th, 2021. Doing an unboxing here. Well, I already opened the box, but there's the box. You can imagine this box inside that box. And this little piece of paper here that comes with it. And these are my new Orion 2x54 ultra wide angle binoculars. So then inside that box is this little package with a plastic sleeve on there. So nice. Ooh, a little strap. More nomenclature. We'll look at that later. Oh, warranty. That sounds good. So these are the, as it says, 2x54 binoculars, and you're probably thinking, well, why would you want something as low power as that? Well, the trick of these is to bring the light in. These are not prism or reflective mirror binoculars, so it's a Galileo lens system, if you will. It's all straight through, so all the, let me see if I can grab these out of here. So we got some handy little, yeah, they pop off pretty easy. Handy little lens caps there. Those are nice. Ooh, the virgin lenses. Never before seen. Wow. Gotta appreciate some quality optics. These are the first brand new binoculars I've ever bought, actually, so. But they have a large, wide angle, huge exit pupil, and hey, I might even be able to use these with my stupid camera phone, because what they do is they suck up all that light and they put it straight out the back for a really wide angle view. Oh wow, those are going to work. Look at that. Now again, they're not going to be super high magnification, but let me see if I can zoom in. Oh, let me see if I can hold them with my. Shouldn't be that hard. I can zoom in here with my camera, hopefully. Yeah, it looks like it's going to work. And I should maybe be able to see stars at night through my phone now with proper adjustment. So, yeah, I can't wait to try those out tonight. And again, what these do is help you to spot things that your eye isn't able to pick up because they're just not bright enough. This is going to brighten everything up and bring a lot more stars into view without much, and with a real wide angle, without much magnification. Cut